Really, this is the perfect holiday home. With accommodating up to 8 people, this property will holiday let really, really well. But because of the quality and the size, it's equally suitable for a luxury residence. What's really important about this property, it's got a very, very sought after and unique location. Noosa Sound is such a sought after location. There's been just over 10 properties sold on Noosa Sound in the last 12 months. It's that closely held. People love it for that access to the beach, access to Hastings Street. It's that perfect holiday residence or luxury residence, and people looking for a high quality property in this area, they really should make their inquiries quickly. Look, this is a really quality built home. It's got ample accommodation, it's got ample living areas, both indoor and outdoor entertaining. It's very private, very leafy environment. It's got a terrific pool area behind me here that faces out to the north. Lots of off-street parking with a 3-car garage. It's just that standard above most homes you'll often find off the waterfront on Noosa Sound here. This property is available for private viewing and also open for inspection every weekend right up until the auction date on the 21st of January at midday. If you'd like further details about the property, just contact me, Dan Neylan, or Emika Neylan at Dowling and Neylan, and we look forward to seeing you in Noosa very soon.